Why is there something rather than nothing? Now, first off, I'd like to say that I really don't know why anything exists. I can't say I know. Science doesn't know, nor does religion know. Definitely. So I'm going to talk about one of the scientific aspects of it, which is antimatter and matter. Now, at the beginning of the universe, right, if we're going off the Big Bang theory, there was antimatter and matter. Antimatter is basically the opposite of matter. I don't know how else to explain what antimatter is. And when antimatter and matter annihilate, they create pure energy. They mutually annihilate. Whenever they get into contact with each other, they mutually annihilate. Antimatter is hard to store, hard to create, and for some reason you're not supposed to have matter atoms or matter particles come into existence without having antimatter particles coming to existence from energy. Now this begs the question, why? Why was there more matter than antimatter at the beginning of the universe? And obviously we just don't know. But physicists have some theories. Apparently the anti-meson, and a meson is a particle which is made up of two quarks. Quarks obviously make up neutrons and protons, right? So these anti-mesons apparently at CERN were measured to have had charges which were negative 2.45% less, the antimatter ones, than the actual physical matter ones did. So what does this mean? This means if they're creating particles, if particles are coming out of pure energy at the beginning of the universe, then these anti-mesons and mesons, the mesons will overpower them, the actual ones, the actual matter. That could be why there's matter in the universe.